The India Meteorological Department has completed 150 years since its foundation in the year 1875. Over the last decades, it has predicted so many extreme weather events, helping us to reduce the loss of lives and property in these disasters. But now, with the challenge of climate change staring us in the eye, the Weather Department has decided to amp up its forecasting skills as well as the observational network across the country. On Tuesday, it started its two-day celebration of the 150 years here at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. And on this important day, it also made an announcement where it unveiled its 2047 vision. Now, this long-term plan is divided into 2-year and 10-year plans. Now, the immediate target is to increase its accuracy in predicting the severe weather events. Now we know that due to the increasing global warming, the intensity, frequency and distribution of extreme weather events has increased in the country. Dr. Mrityunjay Mohapatra, the Director General of Meteorology at IMD, says the goal is to predict these extreme weather events with zero error at least 3 days in advance, and to ensure that all the districts and blocks are alerted about extreme weather events. This is also part of the larger goal of preparing early warnings for all of these extreme weather events. Now, this two-day celebration also marked the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, where he also made some key announcements highlighting that the reliability of weather forecasts are extremely important and they need to increase. The Secretary of Director of WMO, which is the World Meteorological Organization, Professor Salo, was also here, and she made an important remark highlighting that even though the world has temporarily breached the 1.5 degree mark in 2024, which was also the hottest year on record globally, it does not mean that the climate action is now not going to bear fruit. Rather, it has to really step up, considering that we really need to keep the warming below 1.5 degree in the coming years, which is also the goal set up under the 2015 Paris Agreement. Now, apart from that, the Weather Department also made an elaborate plan on how it's going to improve the observational network. It's also implementing Mission Mausam, which is also a 2,000 crore project being implemented by the Government of India. Under this, the Weather Department will increase the observational network of radars across the country. At least about 53 more radars will be added. The Director General of Meteorology, Mohapatra, also highlighted that the department is still facing challenges in predicting events, especially in the mountainous regions where the data is not being collected at the same scale. So they want to improve that. Apart from that, some issues with the AWS also happened last year. Now, under this new plan, the Weather Department will also ensure that proper calibration facilities are set up at least in all regional centers, and so that if there is any error or there is any malfunction, it can be identified and corrected properly. More digitization is also on the cards, the use of artificial intelligence as well as machine learning. A special group has already been set up to mine the archived data of IMD and enhance its forecasting skills. Apart from that, the Weather Department also plans to include more skilled workforce, because all these challenges will require more and more skilled personnel who can really interpret the data and use it. The Weather Department is using state-of-the-art models, forecasting models as of now. I think 7 are from India and 3 or 4 are the global models, and together they are used to generate the weather forecast. So all this is part of its grand plan, and today the second day has begun, and the two-day event is marked by different sessions where experts from across the country have come here at Bharat Mandapam.